What's up, you guys? 2014 Honda CRV. Customer requested filter change for the cabin. This is the same filter for the AC and heat. Any air coming out of the vent is going through here. Anyways, we got ourselves a filter here. This is the part number. And should be a very simple job. Let's get this out. I am going to have one hand job here. I'm going to get this out of the bag right now. Okay. Let me get this out of the bag. Oh my God. So it's ready for me to put in because it's going to be a very simple job here. Okay, and what we're going to do here is we're going to first look at this filter. Okay, the filter has an airflow sign. Okay, this is if it says airflow, that means this has to face down so the air can hit the top, collect all the dirt, and come out through the bottom fresh, and then it will go through your vents. Okay, so what we're going to do here is you have to pull this forward. I'm going to probably hold the camera at the same time, going to grab the glove box. So push this plunger back, just like pushing it back. That's all I'm doing here, and it will come right out. After that, you need to squeeze this side and that side, and I'm going to try to hold everything and the camera with the one hand because everything is right there. So this tab and this tab should be able to get this filter. See, it tells you airflow here. If it says arrow facing up only on the filter, some of the vehicle, that means you just gotta put the filter facing. If it says flow on it, you have to follow the flow. Flow is always from the top to bottom. Anyways, this filter is dirty. Just pull it out. Okay, it got a lot of buildup, so this gotta go. This is original filter probably. So now we're gonna go with the airflow. Remember, when this filter has an airflow, so I want to get that in, and we're gonna figure out if it goes this way or the other way. And all you do is align the filter, and it should go right in just like that. Slides right in. So this is the soft side and the hard side, but the airflow has to be facing down. You're gonna take your cover here, and it clicks right in. Line in both sides, and it clicks right in. So to take it out, you push this and push this tab, and it comes right out. After that, you just take your glove box and push it up, and it goes right in there. You grab this plunger right here and stick it on. Bada bing, bada boom. Within 3 minutes, we changed that guy. Thank you for watching my video, and try in your air and everything should work. Sometimes you will drop a leaf in there, but be careful you don't drop nothing in there. So thank you for watching this video.